The Selling Champion Consulting Limited. We know the art of selling.
My name is George Metuche. My friends call me the Selling Champion. The topic we are discussing is the sales process. A salesman should profile solution. You are an ambassador. You are representing your organization. You are the organization they are seeing. Answer the objection. You have to provide an answer. You have to provide an answer. And I say, a salesman is someone that thinks on the go. A salesman is a manager of his territory. A salesman is you have the attribute of an accountant. You have the attribute of a manager. You have the attribute of an auditor. You have the attribute of a company owner. So you are someone that thinks on the go. Of course, before you go out, you know the rules and regulations. You know the policies of your company. So whatever you are doing, you must play within the policy of your company. So whatever you are discussing as per the objection, it has to be within the policy of your organization, so that you don't make mistakes. But if they raise an objection that you cannot handle in the field as a salesman, you have to be smart enough to find a way to come back to that customer or that prospect. So what you need to do is, suppose you have an approval authority of 5% discount, and the customer is asking for 7% discount, and you know that at your level as a salesman, you are not the sales manager, you cannot give beyond 5%. So what you need to do is you smartly take your leave and say you will get back to him the following day, or you get back to him the same day, or you get back to him in good time. Of course, what you need to be smart to know the right time to supply that product, because time is a major determinant. That's one of the laws in 25 unbreakable laws of sales. Time is a major determinant. So anything you are doing, you must look at time. So you go back to your office, to your sales manager, to your superior to say, this guy is asking for 7% and you've asked me to give 5%. What do we do? If the sales manager needs to get approval from the national sales manager or from the MD or from whoever, they will go beyond that, or they will go to that. But if the selling is 5%, it's up to you that is a salesman to go back and say, we are giving you value at this 5%. Then you need to ensure that the objection is dealt with. You don't just 5% is asking for 7%. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. I keep hearing that. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. This is the way we do it here. I'm sorry, that is not a 21st century sales language. That is not a 21st century customer service language. That is not a 21st century marketing language. You must find a solution. Don't say this is not the way we do it here. So you must find a way to handle that objection. You must find a way to deal with that objection satisfactorily. Let the customer or prospect see that you are making great effort. If they see that you're making great effort, they will likely go with you, even when you are not giving them the 7% they are asking for. They are watching you. They are watching the effort you make, in order to give them value. They will likely go with you.